Once you finish the installation, all you have to do is press the lock button twice with one small interval. And here you go, the car is started. Hey guys, today I'm going to be installing MyKey Premium Remote Start. We're going to be working on a 2018 Kia Sedona. It is also suitable for 2015 through 2021 models. This is going to be one of the easiest and simplest installations that you will see for any models. This is 100% plug and play. You don't have to cut any wires, and it works with your original key fob. You don't have to have anything extra with you. Also, this product is only for models with push button start system. So if you don't have a push button start system, then this product is not for you. Now let's install it. So in this package, you're gonna get a set of wires. This is gonna be a E2 type. It's specifically for your model. So this harness is a T harness. It has female connectors and male connectors. So basically what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna disconnect some connectors from your car's module, connect them into here, and connect these two connectors to the module. And this module, for your model, make sure that this switch is set up like this. 1, 2, 3 are up, 4 is down. On the black side, 1 is down, 2, 3, 4 are up. Now let's connect it. The 3 connectors that we just hit disconnect from the car, we're gonna connect them into these 3 connectors, and then after that, we're going to connect these 3 connectors into your car's module. So the installation is going to be right above the brake pedal. We're going to be disconnecting these 3 connectors. This 1, 2, 3. All you have to do is press the pin, wiggle it, and pull it out. Just like that. Press the pin and pull it out. And then the last one. Press the pin and pull it out. Now we're gonna connect the T harness that you got to these connectors and then back into the module. So first thing, we're gonna connect the biggest one. Just like that. The second one goes the smallest one, which is this one. Just like that. And the last one. And they're all different sizes. So don't be scared to mismatch them. They won't fit. Just like that. So now these 3 connectors will go back into your car's module. Make sure it's all the way in and they click. Now this is good. Now the second one. It. And the last one, the yellow one, and the last connector. That's it, just like that. Now let's connect it to your MyKey Premium module. This is power connector. Power connector connects last. First, let's connect this. Just like that, and power connector like this. Make sure it's all the way. You'll beep a few times and it's good to go. And before you put this away somewhere inside, make sure you test it first. Make sure everything works as it should. If it's not working as it should, just disconnect everything, connect everything back in, and that usually does the trick. Now let's test it. Once you finish the installation, all you have to do is press the lock button twice with one small interval. Just like that. And here you go, the car is started. So the car is still running. It's in sleeping mode. All you have to do is press the brake. The car activated itself, put in gear, and you're good to go. You're also going to get two cool functions with this remote start. Automatic door lock and unlock. The way it works, as soon as I approach the car will automatically unlock itself. And once I leave, the car will lock itself. Let's check it out. Here you go, the car unlock itself. And once I leave, the car will lock itself. Here you go, the car is locked. Also, as for safety, the automatic unlock function is disabled upon your remote starting your vehicle to prevent vehicle theft. And to activate automatic door lock and unlock, all you have to do is press the lock button on your door, press the brake pedal, hold it, and now press the lock button on your key fob with a one small interval, just like that. You're gonna hear either one beep or two beeps. One beep means your function is deactivated, and two beeps, your function is activated. To activate or deactivate, it's pretty much the same procedure. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just please comment down below or send an email to support@mykeypremium.com.